Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on SNM. As in my previous video, we were watching that SNM was rejected by this very strong and long-term resistance of $1.80, and it was testing the support of 89 cents. And while testing this support, it formed a falling wedge pattern on the smaller time frame chart. And recently, it has broken out this falling wedge pattern that was formed here. And in today's video, we will take a look at this breakout. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the links for my previous trading signals reports in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And for example, if you would like to check any trade, then you just need to click on the link on the trade setup. For that trade setup, it will take you to the trading view, and there is a play button available on the trading views chart. And if you have at least a free account there, then you can just click this button and it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the weekly time frame chart for SNM, and here we have been watching this very long-term and powerful parabolic move of SNM, and finally it was reached here after getting surged more than 400,000%. It has reached here at the resistance of $1.80 once again. Previously we got rejected by this resistance here, and this was the previous rejection in the month of November 2022, and this is the most recent rejection you can see for the past 2 weeks, current week and the previous week. It is trying to break out this resistance but could not break it out and dropped at the next support, very strong and long-term support of 89 cents. And while testing this support, it also formed a falling wedge pattern on the 1 hour time frame chart. And I was telling you that this is the bullish bias pattern, therefore there is a probability that the price line may start another reversal move from this support of 89 cents. This is the 89 cent support. We are now on the hourly time frame chart, and you can see this is the long-term, very long-term support. This is, by the way, we are now watching this support on the weekly time frame chart. Now let's move to the hourly time frame chart. And here we can see that while moving inside this falling wedge pattern, the price line was getting more and more squeezed, and finally we broke it out, retested the previous resistance as a support, and then we had a very nice pump. When I shared my last video, at that time we were testing the support of 89 cents, and we were also moving up after testing the support of the wedge as well. And now if I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see for the past several hours, few hours, it has surged almost 65%. And there is a bit critical situation on this hourly time frame chart, because if we take a look at the stochastic our oscillator, then we can see stochastic is not able to form another higher than previous high, but the price line has formed higher than previous high. So there is a bearish divergence that is signaling for a price reversal to the downside after this rally. But at the same time, we can see if I place this measurement, this Fibonacci tool from this low up till this high, then you can see exactly the price line has retraced up to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level and getting accumulated at this level. That is considered as a golden pocket and a price reversal zone. Therefore, now there is a probability that the price line may start another reversal move after this price correction to the upside, and the stochastic also forms another higher than previous high, and this bearish divergence will be removed from this 4-hour time frame chart. However, if we take a look at the target for this falling wedge pattern after this breakout, that is here at the top of the wedge, that is at $1.80. And again, the next few hours can be really very important for SNM, because it can make another attempt to break out this very, very strong and long-term resistance of $1.80. And after that, it can start even more powerful rally to the upside. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.